Guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up and use this Sonoff Wi-Fi smart switch. Obviously, if you connect this device to your Wi-Fi and connect or wire this device to any appliance you want to use, you're going to be able to turn that appliance only by turn it on from your mobile phone. So now I'm going to show you how this works. First step we're going to do is wiring the device. Obviously here you've got input and you've got output. The input where you plug your main, the output where you plug your appliance like your light, your TV, anything. So for this job I'm going to use my side bed light, so I need to remove this plug so I can use the two wires. So after removing the socket from my appliance wire and connect them into the input, now I need to connect the input, from the main live. So as you can see now, I've done my wiring. The input is coming from the main, going straight to input here. My appliance, which is my light, comes from here and going straight to my light. So my next step is to download the right app. So I need to go on App Store now, or Play Store. So the app, as you can see, is this one called Link. So I'm gonna hit install. So it's installing now. So the app is installed now. I need to go and open it like this. You can see. So because I'm already subscribed to this application, now I've put to log in. I need to put the country that I'm in and my email address and my password. I'm gonna put my password now. I need to press this pairing button for 5 seconds and then release it and press it again for 5 seconds again, like this. So now I need to go on my mobile phone and hit this add. After that, quick pairing. After that, add one device, and next, and leave it to scan. So as you can see now, it's nearly ready. Yeah, it is ready. Here I can change the name. I can put any name that I want, like my name, and I can choose which room. Put it like the bedroom here and press done. Okay, so now my device is ready to use. So now I'm gonna try it. So when you finish your setup, you'll get like this green light here, this solid green light. It must be solid. Then you know that your programming process is successfully finished, done. Got two ways to use this device. Either manual like this, on and off, or if you want to use it through your phone like this. Off, on, off. And also you can set up a program so you can use this device whenever you want, 24 hours. You can switch itself on or off for 7 days if you want. So after finishing the whole process, you need to put this wiring cover back for safety reasons. I'm gonna say now that this device is one of the most useful and handy devices that you may need to use in your house, because it will make life easy and simple for you.